Alright folks, today here we're going to steam this Marklin 4112/11. Burner repaired, and it's got a fair sort of a head of steam in it. Look at that flame, no wonder why. Alright, so let's have a little bit of a steam off here. And away we go. We've got enough pressure there to run it at a fairly good speed. The dynamo's not bolted down, I've got a belt on it. It's really just there to hide a blemish, which is a burn, a scorch mark, or where a dynamo has been previously, I don't know. Anyhow, that's just for a bit of charm. So here she is, all going very well. There's one for Queenston, and we've got some mates here watching on for encouragement. There's the 4112/14 behind. You can see it's a monster. There is a video of it done already somewhere, and then a couple of small ones. Might be a 9 or a 10 there, that one, and that one over there as well. The two on the outside there don't run yet, but they'll get a turn here one day. Okay, what else can I tell you? This is the one that came from France. So bit of steam oil and that coming out of there, which is always a good sign. And these have got a dummy governor on them, of course. Put it on the dynamometer. Bit of auto-sol and elbow grease made a big improvement. And still needs a pipe on the water pump, but I did put a 3-way valve on it, and still a bit more to do to it, of course, as there always is. If anybody's got a spare old-time Marklin logo emblem to go on there, I'd much appreciate some help finding one of them. Alright. One final little toot, and thanks for watching. Bye now.